Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a concrete Anza with us in the shop. This is a single boiler machine by Anza, and it came in for quite a few reasons, but we got it all working, and we are going to test it. The main reason that it was leaking was from a gasket that is located on the boiler, so we ended up replacing that, and we did a few other things to the machine. And so we're just going to quickly brew a shot here. Yeah. I put some test coffee in there, and so don't worry if it runs a little too fast or a little too slow. When it comes to output, we don't measure our grinder to any of the machines that we test. We're just wanting to make sure that water comes out. As you can see, we're getting around that 10 bars, 11-ish, and we're brewing. This machine, we warmed up the portafilter to make sure we try to get a good shot. And we left this on our counter overnight, and then we tested, of course, today, and no spillage over the entire of the machine. So we don't have anything on the counter, nothing's dripping from that boiler anymore, and yeah. We're gonna just quickly turn it off. Decent little shot here. And then we're just going to warm up for steaming mode. Alrighty, now that we're all warmed up on the steam boiler side, indicated by the barista lights that are located on the bottom of the machine here, we are just going to run it. So this is a single boiler machine, so naturally there will be a little bit of water in the steam. As you can see, you get a nice good amount of steam in there for a single boiler. And then we're just going to turn this off, and we're going to run hot water to clean it out. Just to rapidly cool off the boiler. We're going to let that run just for a little bit. Close the valve for a split second just so we can fill up that boiler a little bit, and then there you go. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, if you'd like to subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.